Y'all want some breakfast? Let's make French toast casserole.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. This morning I'm in the kitchen. It is Saturday morning and we want something good to eat. Now, I baked a loaf of bread this week and I don't want it to go to waste. So guess what we're having? A French Toast Breakfast Casserole. To that I have some leftover blueberries and some leftover raspberries, just a few that I'm going to add to this. So if I were going to say this was an old school meal, I would call it bread pudding, but I'm not. I'm going to say it's a French toast breakfast casserole. So let me get my apron on and we can get to cooking.
Here are the ingredients we'll be using: bread, eggs, milk, butter, fruit, nutmeg, cinnamon, a dash of salt, and let's go ahead and get to cooking.
Okay, so I got my apron on and I want to thank Miss Dana Wade for my eggs. She provides us with some beautiful, look at this egg, beautiful eggs from her chickens. And she doesn't have to. So thank you so much, Dana. And I'm going to go ahead and start this recipe by cubing my bread. So I said that I was going to cut my bread first. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to butter my casserole dish first, and then I'm going to cut my bread. So let's go on and butter our casserole. I'm actually using a 9x9 casserole dish for this recipe. I'm going to cut my bread into 1-inch cubes or thereabout. Now I'll take my cubed bread and just set it over into the dish. And this recipe can be prepared the night before. If you have time in the evening and you want to make sure that you have a good breakfast in the morning, you can prepare this. And I'm gonna use all my crumbs, okay? That's just me. Now, I have my bread prepared. I'm going to go ahead and get my eggs cracked and get my mixture ready, my egg and milk mixture. This is my custard. Look at the color of that yolk. That's a good free-range chicken right there. I'm cracking this in my measuring cup so that I can measure out my milk. And I'm going to actually measure out 2 cups of milk. I'm going to mix this so that I can break up my yolks and get it all mixed in well. I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of sugar and a pinch of salt to my mixture. That's about a teaspoon of salt. We're going to get this mixed up again. I'm also going to add cinnamon What kind of French toast would you have without cinnamon? And a little bit of nutmeg. I'm running out of nutmeg, so I shook the last little bit out of that. Okay, our custard is ready. We're going to pour this over. Our bread is going to soak that all in. Got to get that nestled down in there. Now I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes so that bread can soak up that beautiful custard that's going to be a custard. But in the meanwhile, my oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to make a little bit of a sauce to go on top. So let's do that. So let's go ahead and make our sauce to go on top. And it's just a caramel sauce. I have in my pan a little bit of butter and about a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. To that, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of, maybe 1/8 of a cup of maple syrup. Y'all hear people singing back there? He's singing like he's in a whole concert. So y'all just ignore him. Yeah, we can. That don't mean a thing. We're gonna bring that to a boil. Just a real slow boil. So that we can get it to a good temperature. And it'll be a nice syrup. So we want to get it to a rolling boil. I don't want to boil it too long. Just so that it can smell like the. And you know what else I'm gonna put in here? Hold on. I'm gonna put a little bit of cinnamon to kind of pull it all together. Ooh, that smells good. I'm going to take this syrup and I'm gonna pour it over. Ooh, baby, this is gonna be good. Oven. Okay, I think she's all done. Okay, y'all, so our French toast casserole is done. And we have let it cool for about 10 minutes so that our taste testers can come on in here and taste it. So let's cut us a piece. Ooh, I like the corners. All right, Ari. Mm-hmm. Is it still warm?
I took a bit of a bite, but it's delicious.
Bite is too big. Is it good? Good. Would you like some ice cream on it?
That would be delicious.
All right, you heard it, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna take me a bite. I got a little fruit on mine and some of the bread. That's good. I don't know why it surprises me, but it is delicious. That bread is soft. That fruit brings a little bit of tartness to the whole casserole. And that cinnamon brings it into the back. So it is a very good casserole for breakfast. Like I said, you can prepare it with the custard and everything in the dish, put it in the refrigerator, and then slide it in the oven in the morning. It bakes for about 30 minutes, just so that the egg custard could set up and bake. And once it did all of that and we pulled it out, we let it cool for 10 minutes, and it is ready to eat. Now, you could very well eat this for a dessert, but we're eating it for breakfast. It's Saturday morning, and it's time for coffee and a French toast casserole. So, y'all be blessed today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Be blessed. Bye.